Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this Argos Jupiter Workshop doll's house, which I repaired before. I'll leave a link in the description. And I built it and put lights in, but unfortunately the younger sibling pulled them all off. You can see here. If you have a look at the video done before last year, you'll see, and broke all the legs off the furniture. So I'm going to have a look at upgrading the whole thing today. I bought these vanity lights, which I'm going to use instead of the individual lighting, and it's safe USB connection. So what I've got to do is disconnect these lights and wire them in. It's only 5 volts, so it shouldn't be a problem. You can see me just wiring them up individually, and then you can see me just running the wire through the unit, because I've got to attach them with double-sided sticky to each individual room. As you can see there, that's the dressing room, and that's a lounge and the kitchen. Fit the lights into. Just got to wire them all up, and then I'm going to put a switch here. That's the main light switch. This one will switch them all on instead of individually. And I'm just doing this is the back of the unit. I'm just wiring and soldering the wires together, as you can see there. And then once that's done, I'm just going to put this is the only tape I can find, I'm afraid, this fragile tape. I'm just going to put these fragile tape just to cover the wires, just so it looks neater. It's at the back in the way, so it shouldn't make any difference. As you can see there, just get that taped up, and if I lift the unit up, you can see I just switch the lights on. Like I said, a USB and then 5 volts, low voltage, and all seems to be working fine. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so what I've got to do now, I'm going to use this Gorilla Glue to repair the furniture, which is previously the legs broke off, as it was a bit of a feeble design. So you can see I'm just going to leave them to glue. I'll glue them, leave them all to dry now. You see I put the piano together as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise the unit off the ground. So I'm going to put the doll's house on this piece of board here, this bit of plywood. And then it's just a matter of measuring and then once that's done, I've got the right width and depth. I'm just going to take it outside and just put this extra length off with the circular saw. And once that's done, it's going to smooth down the edges with the sander, as you can see there, dot sander. Okay, so what I've done, I've bought these chair legs, which are at an angle, which should prevent the unit from falling over as easy, but I'm going to attach it to the wall anyway. So I'm just going to attach these angled chair legs, as you can see here, to the bottom of the base. I'm just screwing on, just fast forward this bit here. I'll just put the other 2 legs on. Just screwing them all together. Okay, satisfied with that. So it's just a matter of, I'm just going to spray the whole thing black, the base. And just speed this section up. Just going to spray the whole thing matte black. And leave it to dry, so the dry out, keep smell. So I'll leave that to dry out for the night. And I'll just spray this edge so it doesn't show. Like I said, I'm just going to leave that to dry out outside on the cover, just to air out, get rid of the smell of the spray paint. I'll just put my Green-Crocs initials on there. Okay, next day. Here's the base. I brought it in now. I'm going to attach it to the doll's house. The initials there. So all I've got to do is lift the units onto the base, which I've already measured, like so, and get it lined up. And then I'm just going to drill holes through the floor. So I'm going to screw the unit to the base. As you can see here, I'm just putting screws in here. And let me just show you, lift it off the ground. You can see it's firmly secured now. Okay, moving on. what I'm going to do next is just show you the angle of the legs. See, that should prevent it from falling down as easy, but I am going to attach it to the wall anyway. Just raise it off the ground. And then I'm going to fix a TV to the wall or an iPad. And I'll just put the holder there. And then it's just a matter of clipping the iPad in. And then I'm just going to wire a charger to it, and then just show you here. You can see there, YouTube Kids. So I bought this Cindy doll's house thing, kitchenette, and I'm going to incorporate this into the unit also once I've dismantled it. So here you can see I've just put the side panel in here, screwed it to the unit, and just going to fix this purple edge as well, and that's it there. So this unit is pretty much finished now. Let me just show you around it. This is a light switch here. If you press this light switch, all the lights come on, whereas before they were individual. And let me show you around the rooms. That's the piano room, that's the kitchen. You can see where I put the cooker hood and what's not from the Cindy doll house, what I bought before. That's the bathroom, and this is the lounge with the TV on the wall. You see I've repaired the furniture there. And going up a floor, that's the bedroom, and that's the wardrobe or dressing room, as you can see there. Just show you another angle of it. See if I press the iPad there, you got YouTube Kids. Let me just switch angles so I can show you another angle of what it looks like. There you can see there, that's the side panel which I've incorporated, and I'm pretty much satisfied with that. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.